Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful and sexy web look. It's very easy and perfect for summer days, parties and festival. Let's stay with me and create this look together step by step.
If you're looking for a fast, modern and high-impact hairstyle, the wet look might be your best friend. It's sleek, confident and surprisingly easy to create if you know the right technique and the right products. This look was inspired by one of my favorite style icons, Bella Hadid. I came across a photo on Pinterest and immediately thought, this is the one, let's get started. First, I apply a generous amount of chiffon styling mousse by R&Co to the roots of dry hair. I focus on the frontal and top crown areas, but I avoid the lower part of the hair. This mousse is light, non-sticky and works really well on fine hair. I massage it through the roots and then begin blow drying the hair with a vented brush, directing the airflow in the shape of the style I'm going to create. I use a skeleton brush to add volume and build shape, first working from one side, then the other, and finally the top. The side sections are blown backward, and the top section is also directed back. Once the roots are set, I spray the lengths with Smooth Swing spray, a smoothing, heat-protecting product that makes the hair soft and polished. Then, with large round sections, I blow out the mid-lengths using a large round brush, just to smooth and refine the texture. This gives the hair a more elegant and finished look before we move to the wet effect. Now, we're going to create the actual wet look effect. For this, I mix two of my favorite products from R+Co, Motorcycle Gel, which gives shine and light hold, and Aircraft Pomade Mousse, which sets the hair in place but keeps it soft and movable. The mousse alone can dry down to a matte texture, but when combined with the gel, you get the perfect glossy finish, without stiffness. If you don't have Aircraft mousse, no worries. You can use any soft hold gel. It will still work great, just with a slightly more fixed effect. Here's one of my favorite tips. Use a tint brush and mix your products in a small bowl. This keeps your hands clean and gives you more control during application. I start on one side of the head, working from the inside out, not directly at the face. I take small diagonal sections and apply the product to the roots with the brush. Then I comb it through with a flat brush for a smooth, even application. I am applying this mixture with a tint brush, section by section. This is actually one of my favorite moments in the process. As someone who's worked in hair and makeup for years, I love playing with product combinations and techniques, especially for these clean, glossy textures. It's not just about styling, it's about giving shape and personality to a look. Then I switch to the other side and do the exact same steps. Once I reach the top, I apply the product to the crown area, again using diagonal partings to keep the shape dynamic. I brush the hair slightly to the side for a more natural, asymmetrical finish. At the front, I gently style the hair in the direction I've planned for the look. Spray a bit of stronghold hairspray and set everything in place with the hair dryer to lock in the shape. And here's the result: a clean, lifted, elegant wet look. Perfect for evening events, photo shoots, or just a confident day out. This look is perfect when you need something quick but striking. It goes well with many different outfits, opens the face beautifully, and is great if you want to put more focus on makeup or accessories. Honestly, it's one of my favorite looks for summer or festival season. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have ideas or looks you'd like me to recreate. I'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions. And of course, I'm always happy to answer any questions. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.